Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you a quick chicken recipe. Yes, a quick chicken recipe, that is Tawa Chicken. So without wasting time, let's get into the video.
First of all, I will marinate the chicken. For this, I have taken 200 grams of chicken. Into this, I am adding chopped vegetables. This is purely optional. If you don't want, you can skip. But here I have added cauliflowers and bell peppers. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 to 3 teaspoons of Greek yogurt, then chili powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, then chicken masala, and salt according to taste. After adding everything, I will mix it properly and will keep it aside for another 30 minutes. Now take a pan and add oil into it. Here I have used mustard oil. You can use any of the oil of your choice. Once the oil heats enough, add chopped onion and saute it. Once the onions are nice golden in color, add the marinated chicken. Keep stirring. Constant stirring prevents it from burning on the bottom of the pan. If needed, you can add a little bit of water. Then let it cook for another 10 minutes. Then add half a chopped tomato and cook the chicken until it cooks nice and soft. After cooking for another 5 minutes, check if it is cooked. Once the chicken is soft enough, add finely chopped coriander leaves and mix properly. So our tawa chicken is ready. It goes well with chapati, fulka, naan or paratha. You also can serve as a side dish with rice like me. So please try this recipe at home and please don't forget to share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.